Alright, let's talk about rationalizing the denominator. Okay, so what does rationalizing the denominator mean? It just means that you just want to make the denominator rational. And here we have a third, which is not rational, it's irrational, okay? And so if I want to make the denominator rational, right, I multiply both sides by the denominator. So we have root 3 over root 3. Okay, and I multiply both sides by root 3 because if you think about it, anything divided by itself, right, is equal to 1. And so this is saying 2 over root 3 times 1, which does not which doesn't really change the logic of it, okay? Um, so this is equal to 2 times root 3, that is 2 root 3. And then root 3 times root 3, that is just going to be 3. Okay, so if you don't know, right, if you have square root a times square root a, that is just going to be a. In other words, if you have this, right, because that means square root a times square root a, that is going to be a. Okay, just in case you didn't know. All right, let's look at this one. So remember, you just want to times the number at the denominator. So I want to times root 5. Yeah, root 5. Oops. Root 5 here. And so 3 square root 2 times square root 5. You just want to multiply the thirds together, okay? So we have 2 times 5, that is root 10. Okay, and root 5 times root 5, so that's just going to be 5. Okay. All right, this one's a bit different because we have a number in front of the third at the denominator. You still want to do the same thing. You just want to times whatever the third is here. So we times root 2. Okay, so 2 root 6 times root 2, that is just going to be 2 root 12. 5 root 2 times root 2, that is just going to be 5 times 2. Because root 2 times root 2 is just 2. And so to simplify this, I will bring everything together. Okay, and this will be root 12. So 2 over 10, if you simplify 2 over 10, that is just 1 over 5. Okay, and so I can write this as root 12 over 5. Now, I'm not done here as well because you can simplify root 12. And so root 12 is the same as square root 4 times 3 over 5. And I will just write the rest here. So when you have this, right, you can write it like 2 root 3 over 5. Alright? Alright, same thing. You just want to multiply the set at the bottom. So root 3, root 3. So with this one, right, since there's two numbers at the top, you want to times root 3 with the 1 and the root 3. So what this looks like, just to visualize it, is this. Oops. Okay. And so you want to times root 3 with the 1 here. So that's root 3. Root 3 with the root 3. Sorry, negative root 3. And that's going to give you minus 3. Over. Oh, sorry. That denominator should not be 3. Oh, root 3. That should be 3. Because root 3 times root 3 is 3. Okay. So that's our final answer. Alright, that's it for rationalizing the denominator.